Alright, we're fixing to arrive at the Casita factory. We're going to take some tours of all of their models. Look at all those Casitas lined up, ready to be delivered. There'll be some lucky people here picking up theirs today. Pull in here. I hear the gates open 8 o'clock when you're picking up your Casita. Yeah, they got them lined up, ready to roll. Customer parking. Let's just pull up over here and park.
Good morning. I'm Alan with RV Adventures, and we're here at the Casita factory, and we're going to tour all their models today, and we're going to put a film out on each one so you can help decide which Casita you may want to buy. Look at all these Casitas. They deliver about 20 a week to customers, and all of these are sold, all back here and then around to the front. These Casitas are ready to roll. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, we're going to go in the Casita Showroom, take a look at some of the models. Come on with us.
How do I get the so I
You can order solar panels with your trailer now. Zamp solar panels, and they plug in the side. Plugs in here. Solar hookup, and you just plug your solar panels in to keep your battery charged when you're out boondocking. You have outside shower connection, hot and cold water. That's an option. You have they're including an upgraded sewer hose now. So you have your electrical compartment for your electrical cable to store in there. This is your hot water heater. You have an electric switch here to turn it over to electric, and it runs on gas or electric. Your battery compartment is here. You can get an optional AGM battery, and the stabilizer jacks are now mounted, welded to the frame on the back. And you have a crank here to crank them up and down. All right, we're in the Independence Deluxe model. When you come in, you have your closet here and your bathroom here. Okay, the closet comes with a clothes hanger and a little bit of storage space in the bottom down there where you can keep some supplies and things. And the door has a basket on it for you to store some things. So nice little closet there. You have a towel bar, and let's step in here. Vent fans up here to raise it and turn it on. Shower wand for showering. And the Casita trailers look like now they come with these little pockets, so it's like a pocket, so you can actually put things in here and not bounce around and fall out while you're going down the road. A little standard faucet here. I see there's a little knob missing right there. A little sink. The sink has a little storage compartment on the side where you can keep stuff in there. It's waterproof, and then a little waterproof container here where you can store stuff in there. And the shower basin here You have a standard Tetford toilet with a flush valve in the front. A little vent window here, frosted with a screen. There we go. A light here. And a shower curtain. A little basket comes with it there for storing things. Alright. And a shower curtain. So you can shower up. Alright. Pretty good. Let's take a look at the kitchen. You have a nice vent hood here with a vent hood and light. You have your 3-burner stove with a cover. The cover is an option. It just folds up in the back like that.
I went in the tag office. Yeah, this is the manufacturer. This is you.
Nice drawers for a kitchen. Another drawer here. And storage at the bottom. Underneath. Lots of storage there. We have storage here. Furnace is here. Your gas furnace. You have a little compartment here. Put washcloths or other things in there. Cleaning stuff for your sink. You have a sink cover. Doubles as a cutting board. A sink. Hot cold water here. Here's your freshwater pump for your water tank. You have a storage compartment here. I guess you could put some baskets in here and hold spices and soap and other things. Nice lighting. Above you have storage. Nice storage in here. Plates, cups, other things. You have storage here above as well. Alright. Up above the microwave we have a storage compartment up here. Nice storage. And then we have the built-in microwave here. If you didn't have the microwave, you'd have a storage pantry here, but it comes with a microwave as an option. Okay, that's the kitchen areas. Stovetop and sink. On the opposite side, over here, we have the refrigerator, the microwave, and a storage compartment. Alright, refrigerator. Dometic refrigerator, on-off switch, AC, DC, and gas powered. Auto switches between all of them. A little check light if something happens and it doesn't come on correctly. And you got a 1 through 5 cold setting. The refrigerator has adjustable bins on the door where you can move them up and down a little bit on these little places. Wider one at the bottom. You have a freezer compartment for frozen foods. And then you have 2 shelves here with a cutout on the bottom for large, tall jugs like a milk jug or something. Okay, this is the Independence model. So, first thing you notice is the large side benches. These are full-size, full-width single beds on both sides. And I'll show you how wide those are. Let me get my tape measure. A single bed is 31 inches from the wall to the edge. Here is 31 inches. So you have a full width single bed, but it does limit your space in the middle here where you're walking. As you can see, you only have 15 inches of space here, which most people can just barely walk through here. And if you're sitting, the only drawback to this model that we've heard from people that own them is that if you're sitting here like this, the person sitting opposite is bumping your legs sometimes. Definitely your feet run into each other here. And if you don't have large thighs, long thighs, and if you don't have long if you're not a tall person, your back doesn't reach the back cushion. So there's no way to lean back like this, or you gotta sit back like this. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work for me. Might work for you, but sitting here with your leg all the way against the back here. All right. The other thing about this is you have two pedestals here for a table here. The other table would fit here, so you can use it any way you want. They do have a nice thing about this at the back. You can see back here they have a little storage compartment and an extra bench here. In this model, in the back, you have a little storage compartment that opens up, goes all the way to the back of the trailer, and you can also access it from the top by this is a large storage down in there, so a lot of storage underneath there. And then you also have on the sides, both sides, you have storage. Okay, underneath the side of the Independence model, you have these large storage bays. The wheel well's back here, but you have lots of storage compartment in here to store things. And it goes on back with another access door here. And your water tank is back here, but you still have some storage and access door from the outside that you can get into it from the outside. And in the back over there, in the very back, there's a little storage compartment that you can lift up and access the back of the water. There's a little bit of storage down there that you can access behind the water tank. On this side, under the bed on this side, you have a similar storage compartment as the other side. You have the wheel well there, but you have lots of storage underneath there. You do have your electrical transfer unit there, transferring 110 volts to 12 volts. And you got a little bit of storage there. That's where the electric cable slides in and is stored in this area. That's the hot water heater, and that's the battery compartment back there. Okay, above the side bench seats and beds, you have storage compartments that go all the way through to the back, similar to all the other models. And you have a large compartment in the back here for storage. It seems as all the models have these storage compartments on the sides, except the Spirit doesn't. This goes back that way.
Spirit or the...
They have just one compartment on the side. These have two. You have your AC with strip heat. It's a nice air conditioning unit. It has heat and cool. Okay, the air's here. Over here you have your fantastic fan. It comes with a remote, so it can open and close automatically. You can set a temperature, or you can open it manually with a little handle there if you need to. You can turn it off and on, and it will open automatically when you turn it on. Nice little fan, and we'll turn it back off. And it closes automatically. Provides great ventilation for the trailer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that tour of this Independence model. Over the next week and a half, we're going to publish 3 more videos for the other 3 models. Just stay tuned for that. We're going to have one coming out on Wednesday on the Liberty model, and then the next Sunday and Wednesday we'll have the other 2 models. One note here, we're going to show you some pictures now of the interior that we just showed you the video of, just different snapshots. And at the end of those pictures, I'm going to show you another series of pictures with the new gray wood interior that Casita has come out with for 2019. I talked to Casita,
And the gray interior is going to be on all of their trailers after about mid-March deliveries. And they're notifying all the customers that have already ordered that it's going to be a gray interior. They're no longer offering the wood grain. All trailers will be produced with the gray interior. So I'm going to end this by showing you some pictures of those new gray interiors. Okay, enjoy the pictures. See you next time. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tours of the Casita travel trailers.